smooth, or maybe it's dramatically smooth. And so those were kind of the two main variables I said from like an analytical point of view, of like how energetic is it, and then how pulsed versus smooth is it. But then we got into more than that of like, well, what's like the emotion of the song as well. Some people are a little bit more into that kind of intuitive side rather than the analytical side of things. So it's like it's happy, it's sad, it's one of the songs we did, somebody said melancholy. We had one that was like summer vibes was the description. And so when we played with that, I'm like, okay, well, somebody showed, like there was one song that was really kind of sweet, and someone started off like this. So that was like the ah song. And then we had like the melancholy song, and people were like this. Then we had like the summer vibe song, and people were like this. And it was like, all right, cool, well, now give me a melancholy sugar rush. It was like, oh, give me a melancholy sugar rush. It was like, give me a summer vibe sugar rush. And so we like to kind of set that vibe and then carry it into the dance. This is my favorite part about West Coast Swing, is we dance to all this music with different feels. So dance to it with different feels in your movement. Don't have all of it look exactly the same. So if you have a particular genre that you struggle with, find a video of somebody who's dancing you like to that genre. And then when that genre comes on, you can be like, all right, I'm trying to dance a little bit like Max Songs did in this particular demo I saw. And when we imitate someone else, we sort of accidentally include a lot of specifics that we may not necessarily understand yet. Sometimes that can be a shortcut if you're struggling with this a little bit. We then talked about how songs change, so make sure you're showing me those changes. The song goes up, the song goes down, it gets more or less energetic. I want to see you express those changes with the dance. We talked about how a lot of songs, especially fast ones, start with these very lyrical intros. So we talked about how to deal with that. When it's an intro, it might be the middle of the song, like after this part of the chorus, the beat disappears, and you can't just stay here forever. So I was like, all right, you can halftime things. That's always a really good solution. That helps me fill time a little bit. Alternatively, all of those like stretchy 2-beat motions you do, just do them one after the other. You're like, here, there, now I do this one, now I do that one, now we stretch here, now we stretch here, now we stretch there, ha ha, oh, there's the beat, and then we can start. That's a great way to fill that time for you, so you feel like you're moving, but you feel like you're moving correctly to that style of music. We then talked about also how I will exaggerate the changes and then bring them back to baseline. So if the song feels really enthusiastic, like if it's like this, I'm going to do that for maybe 8 counts and then pull back a little bit. If the song is super slowed down, it just feels like this, then I might like do that slowed in, come back up for 8 counts, and then go back to kind of like a slower, smoother bass line, but not that extreme. We talked about for those of you that compete with songs that are really flat, try to find whatever differences you can and exaggerate them to make it more interesting. If you're not competing, you don't need to do that. You can just let a song be flat, and that can be enjoyable, but it doesn't work very well if you're trying to create a show. Okay, then we moved on to the phrase change, which essentially is where these changes happen when you want to express them right in the moment, as opposed to missing them. It's like 4 counts later, you're like, oh, I guess I should be going in slow motion. We went through the drill of listening to the song, and basically, like, you're just kind of grooving. You hear the last 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then what do I hear? 3 most common things are going to be go in slow motion, be funky, or hit a cool pose. Those are not the easy example. The move that I gave people was from a sugar tuck. This would be the end of the phrase.